In this video, we are going to learn how you can fix Spotify status if it is not showing over on Discord. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so currently I am logged into my Discord account, and once I go over on to my profile and scroll down and go over on connections, you can see I have added a Spotify to my account, and display Spotify as your status is also turned on. But from here, if I go to Spotify and let's play a song here, so let's play this song, and once I go back to my Discord and go over to any of the channel, let's say in my case I'm going to my private, and if I swipe left, you can see there is no status displaying to my profile. In fact, a song is playing in background and no Spotify status is displaying over here. So in order to get rid of this problem, all you need to do, you have to go over to your Spotify app, and once you're here, click over on settings, and in settings simply scroll down until you see device broadcast connect status. This option must be turned on in order to display the status to Discord. Once you toggle this on, and once I go back to Discord and swipe left again, you can see the status is now displaying here like listening to Spotify. So this is basically how you can turn on your status over on Discord. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.